This man's reflection in the bathroom mirror sparked a billion-dollar business idea. While looking at himself in the mirror, he noticed that a person's eyes blink intermittently every few seconds. The eyelids don't move at a constant speed. You can't stop them with your hands, and they definitely can't blink continuously like a motor. This made him think, aren't car windshield wipers the same way? Back in the 1960s, car wipers only had one constant speed. They couldn't adjust to the amount of rainfall. So, when there was a heavy downpour, the windshield would get completely covered, obstructing the driver's view and posing a constant danger. The man decided he wanted to change this age-old headache, but could a mechanical engineering professor really solve a problem that had stumped thousands of automotive engineers? Turns out, he actually could. The man's name was Bob, and he was a real-life inventor. The very next day, he dove into his lab and started researching windshield wipers. After over 1,000 experiments, he realized that existing mechanical principles couldn't solve the timing issue of the wiper's intermittent movement. The only way was to use electronic principles. Inspired by watching his son hit a ball one day, he incorporated a bimetallic timer to control the interval between wiper swipes. With the flip of the activation switch, the wipers finally started moving in a regular rhythm and could even be set to different speeds. Bob was overjoyed. He took his wife and kids out to a restaurant to celebrate. America manufactures 20 million cars each year, he said, and every single one of them is going to need our wipers. We're going to be rich. The next day, a car salesman friend set Bob up to demonstrate his invention to some investors. Bob wanted to start production right away, but the investors threw cold water on the idea. Inventing was one thing, manufacturing was a whole different ballgame. It required experience and a lot of capital. They needed to do market research first before making any decisions. Not long after, the investors came back to Bob, saying that Ford Motor Company was very interested in his wipers and wanted him to do a live demo. Bob's jaw nearly hit the floor. Ford was the top-selling automaker in America. If he could get Ford to invest, capturing the entire US windshield wiper market would be a piece of cake. But Bob was worried that during the live demonstration, Ford's engineers might discover and steal his technology. His friend said, if you don't do this, how can you get Ford to believe in it? The next day, Bob drove his car, outfitted with the intermittent wipers, to Ford headquarters. Little did he know, his nightmare was only just beginning. When ChatGPT